Today it's a new trick again, and you are all welcomed back to our channel. So previously, every VPN wasn't working for some people, and it's because of various reasons that we are going to see.
One.
Now, most VPNs weren't working because they were blocked by internet service providers. This was a very heartbreaking situation where all of us were worried about data and our safety. We couldn't access some sites because of this, but now it's solved. With this new trick, we can access all the sites because it's effective and safe. To activate, just buy a Learn from Home bundle first. Yes, I know you are asking yourself why. Isn't it supposed to be free? Of course it is free, and this bundle won't be deducted. First of all, this bundle will gain capabilities, like growing its reach to sites like these. We shall indeed be using this VPN. I guess you all know it.